Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with Mastercode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to use a list as a stack. And basically what a stack is the first object on, last object off. And we use two methods to make this possible. We use the append method, which will append an object to the right side of the list or the end of the list. And then we use the pop method, which will go ahead and get the last object from the list or the right side of the list and remove that object. So basically, when we're working in programming, if we want to put an object on the list to get it off the list first, we refer to that as a stack. All right. So we're going to show you how to use a stack here. Very simple solution. If you guys want to see something more advanced, if you come over to our website, for our members only, we got a little program that we built for you guys to see a stack in actual use. So go ahead and check that out. So let's get started. We're going to go ahead and say A is equal to an empty list, or represents an empty list, A dot append. So we're going to go ahead and put some objects on the back end of our list here. We'll put one, and then we'll append another one. We'll go all the way up to 4. So A dot append, 3, A dot append 4. Okay. So we got our list here. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. So we want to get the last object on that list. So we do that by doing A dot pop, and no argument on pop because pop defaults to -1, which is the last object on the list. So we popped off 4. So now if we call our list, we got 1, 2, and 3. How about if we want to get 3 now? A dot pop. No arguments again, and we call it, we got 1 and 2. So we're just popping things off the top of the list here, off the stack, all right? So A dot pop, and we call A again, we got 1, we'll do the last one, all right? And like I said, if you guys want to see a more in-depth tutorial where we actually use this in programming, head over to our website at mastercode.online. We have a little program for the members. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next tutorial.